search rentals. Right now, it doesn't have a lot of data inside of it, but it could have billions or millions or hundreds of millions or whatever it is. There's no limit to how much data can be in here. But we're just starting with a smaller amount and just showing how to use it, right? There's filters on this data, and we could do it by zip code or region or miles around a latitude and longitude. It's all very simple. But right now, I'm just showing Los Angeles, California. That's the filter. You can search on almost anything. It's just a string search, and it's showing down here. It's showing that sometimes it catches some houses. We definitely don't want to include houses in rental. We try to make the user, empower the user to do what they want. We don't want to do everything for the user. The user can, in this case, the salesperson can narrow it to prices that they care about. You can see that there's 3 prices, 3 rentals at $4,500. There's another one here. In fact, this might be enough information right here. It's showing 0 here. It's showing some at $6,000. It's sorted by usage. So obviously, if I remove these two, there's 0 at that price. So here they go. Now, if you want to include 6,000, I think some of these users or some of these use cases don't want high prices, but it looks like in Los Angeles the prices are pretty high. Now, this is narrowing to 3-bedroom. Maybe we don't want to narrow. There's some that came in at $6,000, and you can also narrow by baths. So right now, all of them have, all the ones that are under this search criteria, Los Angeles, California filter. But the nice thing is it's showing this too. So for this given query, Los Angeles, California, and we could include zip code and things like that. There's not enough data right now to narrow it too much, but if this is a useful tool, then we can, the sum of the prices doesn't mean that much. I guess it can be removed. But the average is useful and the max is useful. So that's what kind of is shown in many different ways here, and we're filtering out, obviously, home sales. Nobody's renting their house for $1.1 million or $11 million or whatever it is, 1.1. So there you go. That's an easy way, and these filters or refinements anything can be added. So price could be, well, price is here, but anything, square footage, things like that. And the cool thing is it's fully searchable, so you can even do this. Let's say you switch to some other zip code, happen to know that there are items in there. And then obviously when you do things like that, you might want to clear this, because now you get the prices in that zip code. Now we can add zip code as a facet to be more exact, because string search is not exactly the same. It's kind of an unstructured search rather than more structured search, right? So this, and now we can see there's some prices that are too high. We can get rid of those by, I guess, the only way to get rid of them is really to select the others. So here we go. We just select the ones we care about. And now it narrows it to that. So obviously we would want to select as many prices as we want. Maybe it's under the 5,000 criteria. So now we can see for that zip code, the average rent, we're not refining on bedrooms or anything, is $3,000. So that's pretty useful, and the max is there. And you can even look at the listings, right? And here, and this has nothing to do with for rent by owner or anything like that. It's just general, and it shows days listed. So let's compare that. Does that make sense? Days, did we click on it? Yeah, 11 hours ago. So it was listed recently. So there you go. Peace out.